Hi, this is John Isles and welcome to Geometer's Paradise. Let's begin by plotting a point. We select the point tool by default, and then we can click on the screen. By default you see an unlabeled point that remains selected. You can see there's a slight blue halo around the point. That means it's still selected. Options for manipulating the selected object are located in a new toolbar directly beneath the old one. From left to right you may change the color, shape, or label visibility of the point. Take a moment to pause the video and experiment with these choices. Notice that the color and shape options are permanent selections and that the labeling always defaults to hidden. So for example, if I click around, I always get blue points here. If I change it to red, I get red points. I can change the style of the point and now I have X's. But if I show the label for the point and then click, it doesn't show the label. To permanently adjust the labels to be visible, select Options, Labeling, New Points Only. Now, all new points will be labeled when you click them in the window. Clear the window by pressing either Ctrl-A or selecting Edit and then select all from the list, and then either select Delete or press the Delete button on your keyboard. Select the Line tool and then click once in the frame to plot a point. When you move the cursor, a line will appear that passes through the point of the cursor. In Elements, Book 1, Postulate 1, Euclid postulates to draw a straight line from any point to any point. GeoGebra is waiting for that second input. Click anywhere to plot the second point. If labeling is on, you'll see the points labeled as A and B. If you try to select either point, GeoGebra will think you are drawing a new line. You need to choose the arrow tool and then click on the point or the line in order to select it and change its properties. Experiment with those properties now. You might have noticed that we can change the style of the line so that it's dashed. We can change the color of the line. There are other line tools available in the line toolbox, including Segment, which you'll use often, and Ray. Experiment with those tools and the options available for them now. Clear the window by pressing Ctrl-A and then Delete. Construct two lines so that they intersect. Now, select from the Point tool the Intersect tool. Notice that when I hover over a line, it highlights. Click on the first line and then on the second line to plot the point of intersection for those two lines. Note that the intersection is a single point.